Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore a stunning collection of luxury wristwatch designs tailored for girls. From delicate and elegant timepieces adorned with sparkling gemstones to bold and contemporary design featuring sleek metals and intricate details. There's something for every style. We will showcase watches with unique patterns, innovative steps, and chic colors combinations that blend sophistication with femininity. Whether you are looking for a statement piece for a special occasion or a versatile watch that complements everyday wear, those designs ideas will inspire you to find the perfect accessory that combines functionality with fashion. As we wrapped up this video, I want to say a huge thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are always updated on my latest uploads. I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for more exciting content and see you in the next video.